Are you stuck trying to make PowerPoint presentations, but you don't have PowerPoint installed? What if I told you there is a totally free, easy to use and powerful alternative, and you probably already have access to it right now? In this video, I will walk you through how to create a professional looking PowerPoint slides using Google Slides. Whether you are a student preparing for a class or a professional getting ready for a big meeting, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create, design, and export a presentation that looks like it came straight out of PowerPoint without you ever opening the app. So stick around and see how this tool can change the way you make presentations forever. The prerequisite for this is that you should have a Google account. So you go to your favorite browser. I'm currently using Google Chrome, and I'm signed in with my account. You click on this settings here. If I click on it, and there are many things that you can see. Scroll down and you see Google Sheets or Slides. You click on the Slides. It will take you to the Slides area, presentation. You click on blank presentation. It opens PowerPoint like this. I will close everything else. And voila, we've already started the PowerPoint. This is the first page of the PowerPoint that starts. I will start by giving this PowerPoint a name. So I click up here, and give it a name. I call it first PowerPoint or demo PowerPoint. Voila. And let me give the PowerPoint slide a name. I'll call it demo presentation, and I'll give it, I'll call the subtitle. Let me write my name here. That is the PowerPoint that I just created. This is the first slide. If you want to create more slides, like on a normal PowerPoint, you have the first page and you have other pages. So to create a page, it's as simple as you go down, you go to this left pane and you click on this plus sign here. This will create a new page. So if I click here, you see the page here. If you are, in order to edit this title, you just click inside and it becomes editable. If you click down here, it becomes editable. So let me just click on, let me try something here, introduction. And I click down here and I say, this is an introductory slide. I press enter. I can add more lines. So you create the PowerPoint like this. Now you see the PowerPoint. This is the, let me, before I add more pages. Now you've seen how we can add more pages on your PowerPoint presentation. We can change certain things. Like you want to change the layout. If you want to change the layout of this one, you go to this layout here and click on it. You see we have different layout options that you see. You can choose which one you want. For example, I want to make this layout to have 2 columns. So I'll click on this one. Now it has 2 columns. We have one on the left and we have another one on the right. Maybe I want to add an image on this one. To add an image, I'll show you that later. But here I can say, I can put details of the left slide. Simple. And that is you changing the layout. There are other things that you can change. You can change the theme if you want it to look different. Like the PowerPoint is so primitive right now, I will say. So in order to change the theme, to change the way it looks like, you click on the theme menu here, click on it, and on your right, on this right, you see themes. There are many different themes. So I just scroll down. You can, if I click here, you can be seeing on the left what is happening there. You click here, it will show you how it looks like. So one of my favorite themes is this one. This is one of my favorite themes. It looks good to me. You can change it, you can alter it the way you want. And let's just choose this other one. I also love this one. Yeah. So I also love this theme. Or you can choose whatever theme you want. So let's take this one. I always like my slides to be very simple. That's how you change the theme. And as you you can change the background too if you want. If you want to change the background, you click here on the background and you click on it. You can choose a color, for example. Let me choose this color, and this happens. So I can also choose any other color of my choice, like this, and I click done. Then this applies only to this slide. So you can change each slide. You can change the way you want the background color to look like. So you see the header slide and the other slides. Now you have created your PowerPoint slides and you want to download this. You want to download this to save on your computer or send it to somebody else. There are many ways you can do this. First, to download so that you can have a PowerPoint copy, like a PowerPoint copy. You click on the file menu. And you choose downloads. You can choose if you want to download this as a PDF or you want to download this as a PowerPoint slide. So I click on the download as PowerPoint. You have it here. This is the slide that we had from the Google, and I have it now on my computer. I can do many changes here, but these changes will remain on my local computer. The good thing with Google Slides is that you can have many people edit this one. You can have many people edit the same slide. So let me invite somebody. To do that, you need to do share. On the share, you click on the share. Let me invite this person. So I put the person's email there, and you can choose if this is an editor, if a commenter, or a viewer. So since I want this person to add something to this slide, so I choose an editor and I say, you can drop whatever message you want. So I'll just leave it blank.